Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a video on how to create a quick visualization on using our Google Lookup Studio. And Google Lookup Studio is similar in features to the normal Power BIs that we are very familiar to, and then the Excel, and then what was it called, the Tableau visualization tool. But the major difference between Google Lookup Studio and and a tool like Excel is that you cannot edit data using Google Lookup Studio as you can do on Excel, and then you cannot do some data cleanup as you can do on Power BI and Excel. So Google Lookup Studio is strictly mainly used for visualizing your data, like making your data to tell a story. So this is the particular data I'll be using. This is a laptop sales data. So we'll be using this particular data set to tell a story using the Google Lookup Studio. So we will come to create, go to report, then you come to Google Sheet. So these are your connectors. We have 22 connectors on the Google Lookup Studio. So we have local Google Analytics. So if the data you want to analyze is from Google Analytics, you click here, Google Ads, BigQuery, AppSheet, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel. So we have up to 22 of them. So my data set is in Google Sheets. So I'll click on Google Sheets. Then the name of the data that I want to analyze is system data. Click on system data, and then you click on add to report. So these are the columns that are present in my data set, up to five. So this one is automatically added by the Google Lookup Studio. So this interface of the empty Canva on the Google Lookup Studio. So you can either use the freeform layout to create your dashboard, or you can use the responsive layout to create your dashboard. You can also create from here team and layout. So you have different teams and layouts here. So I'm going to use the freeform layout. So then I have these tools here, the text tools, which I can use to write text. Then I have the drawing to the shape tools here, so the line tool here. So and then these are my charts, different charts I can create using this particular software. So I'll click on free form layout here, shape, sorry. So to add my title, so click on this. So this is laptop sales. Then I'm going to reduce this. Then come here and increase, crank it up. Then I'm going to bolding it. So, and the font color should be this. Then I need to change the background to something like this. Yeah. Now the next thing is my scorecard. So I want to use this to demarcate my scorecard. So this line will demarcate my scorecard. So I'm going to divide the scorecard into four. So I'll come here to add chart. The first scorecard will be here. So this will be the total quantity of data of our laptop sales. The total quantity of laptop sales. I'll come here, set up. So then I will click this record count, click on it, then click quantity. That's the total quantity of laptop sales. So 61 laptops were sold in the year 2024. So I will come here to increase the font size. So I'll here 20, I can 36. Okay, I think 36 is okay. And so then come here, duplicate, drag it here. So this will be our price. That's the sales. So come here, click on the price. That's the amount in which the amount we generated in the sales of the laptop. Duplicate again, bring it here. So this one should be the brand, the number of brands we have. Yeah. So you have 5 brands. So it should be and then duplicate for the last time number of models. Click here, model. So we have 10 models, 5 brands, and then total sales is 166,120, and the quantity sold is 61. So my scorecards are settled. So it's now time for me to add the normal chart. So the first chart I'm going to add, I will come here to add a chart, then click bar chart. Okay. So it will be a chart of the quantity by brand. So this is my brand, the dimension is brand, and then the metric. Metric should always be in value, should always be in number. So metric by brand quantity. So this is quantity. Then I would like to change the colors. I will come to style, color by, I'll choose this color. Then I will go down. I don't want the grid lines. Choose white. Yes. So then my chart title should show here. And the size should be this. Bold. Okay. So I can adjust the size a bit. Okay. So this is okay. Then I want to add another chart. I'll come here. I'll click here. This multi chart. So this one, this will be a graph of region and brand versus the quantity. That means the brand of laptop we sold, the quantity of laptop we sold in a particular region. So it will show the brand, the region, and then the quantity. So I will just come here. So my dimension is brand, not model. I want brand. So the region is already here, and then the metric is price. Or I can change it to quantity. I don't want to use price, still quantity. Now, if you over your mouse to one of these bars, as you can see here, HP, we sold 7 HP in the north. So this bar, this particular section is for HP, this one is for Acer, Dell, Samsung, and Lenovo. So here we sold 4 HPs in the east. Here we sold 6 HPs in the south. So if you come here, Dell, we sold 7 Dell in the west. And this is Dell here. We sold only, okay, so this is uh okay, this is Dell here. In the west, we sold 7 Dell, and then HP in the west is how much? HP in the west is 1. We sold only 1 HP in the west, whereas we sold 7 Dell in the west. And then how many Samsung? We sold 3 Samsung in the west. So this is one of the importance of visualizing your data set. So I'm going to change the color. Come here. I'm going to scroll down and change the color so it can be of the same color with this. I'll come to single color, click here. Oh, better still, let me come here. Then play with the colors like this. Okay, so I think it's okay. I like it this way. Yeah, so this is okay. So then the chart title should be 24 and bold. So I just decide, okay. So add another chart. Preferably, I will choose the pie chart here. So it will be a chart of brand, the laptop brand versus price. So I will come here, this my laptop brand, and then the price, instead of quantity under metric, it will be price. Okay, so this is HP. We have 40,360, 630. Then this is Dell. This is Samsung, Lenovo, and Acer. So go to my style. For color consistencies, let me input the chart title, 24 bold, color, okay, and then this is okay. I need to remove the grid lines of this one, so I'll come down to grid lines, grid line color, choose white. Okay, so the dashboard is already forming up. So then let me add one more chart to this, the funnel or let me say two more charts, the funnel charts. I'll come here, I can place this one here. So, and this funnel chart will be, I will make it the chart of brand and price. So my highest selling laptop will be at the top here, and then the lowest selling laptop will be at the bottom here. So my price is here. Okay, then change the color, add title, and then the color. Okay, so this is okay. So HP, Dell, Samsung, Lenovo, Acer. So it has converted the price to percentage. So with HP having the highest number of percentage. So the last chart I'm going to add is a line, the time series. So this time series will tell us the amount of sales that we got in a particular date of the month. So it's going to be placed here. Okay. So if you over your mouse here, as you can see, March 11, 2024, we didn't sell anything, but over it here, March 9, 2024, we sold four laptops. If you come here, this is September 2, 2024, we sold one. Then here, September 22, September 23, 2024, we sold four laptops. So these are the time lapse graph. So it will tell us the quantity of laptops sold at a particular day. So I'm going to change the color for consistency. So coming here, let me remove the grid line. Color, okay. So this is how to create a dashboard using the Google Looker Studio. So, and this Looker Studio comes in handy maybe in a situation whereby you cannot install your Power BI, or you cannot install your Tableau or your Excel. You can easily go to your Google, the Google search bar, just search for Google Looker Studio, and then you come straight away into this, and then you do your data visualization and present it to whoever you want to present it to. So this data set is telling enough story. Like merely looking at it, you can easily deduce what is going on in this particular data set. So like this quantity by brand. So HP is the highest laptop we sold in 2024, because up to, let's say, up to 17 of it were sold in 2024, followed by Acer, Dell, Samsung, and Lenovo. So then quantity by brand and region. So when you combine brand, region, and then the you want which particular brand of laptop got sold in the region, and then the quantity of that laptop that got sold in that particular region. So like Dell, Dell here. We sold seven quantities of Dell in the west, and then this HP in the east. We sold four HPs in the east. So this helps you to break down the number of laptops that are being sold in a particular region. Then this one, mainly looking at it, you can easily deduce what this particular visualization is all about, and then the price funnel, and then the time lapse graph. So thank you so much, guys. That's how to use the Google Looker Studio. So in my next video, I'm going to talk more on how to create some interactive charts using the using Excel. So we are going to build some dashboard using the Excel software. So thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.